Hi, this is Paul from Cheap Phone Reviews, and today we are unboxing the Honor 8X. Okay, so I've traded in my Moto G6 Play for this. It was £229 in Argos, SIM-free. The amount of things that are going on about this phone is unbelievable. You got people reviewing it against the iPhone X and the XS. That's, you know what I mean. This is a middle of the range phone, and well, I had to see what it was all about. Okay, so I wanted to get the blue one, but they didn't have the blue one where I wanted to get it, and I wasn't prepared to travel to get it because it's going to be in a case anyway. So, wow, it's bigger than I thought it was going to be. Okay, so it comes in like a bag. Doesn't make it look great, does it? That, I must admit, it makes it look not fantastic, but there you go. They'd have been better off leaving it out the bag. Rightio, let's have a look what we got. Okay, oh, good stuff. They've been nice and give us a case. That is a touch. I do like that. These companies that are doing that lately. I'll be honest with you, that SIM pin looks proper awful. That is nasty, but there you go. Okay, some instructions, quick start guide, warranty card. That's all what's in there. And then we have a 3-pin plug. If we can, well, it's basically a pop-out plug. Yeah, we can't get in there. So I'm not going to be able to charge it either. Where's that knife? Right, after wrestling with the cellophane, we've got it out. Yeah, 3-pin plug. There you go. And then we have got a USB to micro USB. I'm surprised it wasn't Type C, but there you go. And that is it. That is it, what's in the box. Okay. Rightio, to the star of the show. Okay, ooh. All right. Okay, so we've got some good features there. It's got 6.5 inch display. It's got 4 gig of RAM plus 64 gig 128 ROM. And then we've got a 20 megapixel dual camera on the back, and then a 16 megapixel facey camera. Facey, why do I keep saying that? Facey, it's a selfie camera. Wow, I'll get all my words out today. 3,750 milliamp battery, so a nice size battery. And then we've got the Hawaii chip in it as well. So, and it's turboed as well. Right. Okay, so it's a proper fingerprint magnet on the back, but if you're going to have it in a case, then happy days. Okay, we'll take that off. Very nice, there's another sticker there as well. So you've got your fingerprint sensor here, your dual cameras here, and then you've got your flash there. Going around to the front, take that off. Oh, it's a nice size screen. Got a screen protector on the front as well. I do appreciate these companies that do that. Front megapixel, front-facing camera, speaker, and there's a sensor there as well. Going down to the bottom, we've got a 3.5 headphone jack. Everyone loves that. And we've got a mic, and we've got the micro USB, and then we've got a speaker. Going around to the side, volume up and down, power. And around this side, we have your space for your SIM and your SD card, which takes up to 256 gigabyte. I think I've got a 128 what I'll be putting in it. But yeah, I like that. It's a nice size phone. Okay, so I will be doing a full review on this. So if you're interested in seeing the review on it, and I must admit, people are going crazy over this phone because of the price, basically, and what it can do. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up. A sub button's down below. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you all very soon with a review. I will be using it for a few days first before I do that. See you soon. Bye.